हेलो एंड ए वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मेट्रो हाइट्स। आई एम योर होस्ट अतर। कैसे हैं आप लोग सब व्यूवर्स? वेल, आज हम हैं शनाया क्रिएशंस में, जो कि गुड़गांव का एक ऑनलाइन स्टोर है व्यूवर्स। यस, गुड़गांव का, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, गुड़गांव का ही है। तो व्यूवर्स, जो भी गुड़गांव के रहने वाले हैं, अगर वो आ सकते हैं तो कॉल करके आ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज घर बैठे शॉपिंग करें बढ़िया से। जो भी आर्टिकल पसंद आता है स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मैम के साथ शेयर करें। मैम का नाम है श्रेया। श्रेया जी, वेलकम बैक, वेलकम टू मेट्रो हाइट्स। वेलकम बैक तो नहीं बोल सकता, फर्स्ट वीडियो है हमारा, तो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। और जो भी व्यूवर्स हम देख रहे हैं, तो प्लीज सपोर्ट कीजिए इस ऑनलाइन स्टोर को, और खूब सारा प्यार दीजिए, बाय कीजिए यहाँ से, और हमारे साथ फीडबैक शेयर किया कीजिए फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम ऑन अवर यूट्यूब वॉल। ठीक है, तो वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू मेट्रो हाइट्स व्यूवर्स, और सबका स्वागत करता हूं। और जो भी नए व्यूवर्स हैं, फटाफट मेट्रो हाइट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें बाय हिटिंग द बेल आइकॉन फॉर मोर नोटिफिकेशंस एंड अपडेट्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पर जो बाइंग ऑप्शन रहेगा वो रिटेल ऑप्शन रहेगा व्यूवर्स। ठीक है, डेब्यू वीडियो है आज। होलसेल के लिए बाद में सोचेंगे कि किस तरह से आप रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं, कितने होलसेलर्स गेट इन टच विथ हर, तो उस पर डिपेंड करता है आगे। तो फिलहाल रिटेल प्राइजेस ही बताए जाएंगे, और रिटेल ऑप्शन है बाइंग, और दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में डिलीवरी होगी। जो हर और एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, नो सीओडी, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स ही करना है। शिपिंग भी फ्री नहीं रहेगी, दैट विल बी चार्ज्ड एट एक्चुअल्स, वेट वाइज एंड सिटी वाइज। और नो रिफंड नो एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी जो हर स्टोर की होती है, वो उनकी भी है। तो प्लीज अडियर टू द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ द बिजनेस। ठीक है, पार्सल ओपनिंग वीडियो इज मैंडेटरी डन एट द वेरी इनिशियल स्टेज। तो आई थिंक आज हम देखेंगे, क्योंकि समर्स है तो ऑफकोर्स जो भी है, जो कलेक्शन ज्यादातर देखेंगे हम वो होगा समर पे फोकस्ड, कॉटन्स देखेंगे हम। ऑफ कोर्स हम कुछ हमने एड ऑन्स किए हैं, पार्टी वेयर भी बड़े अच्छे अच्छे फैब्रिक्स में। तो बने रहिए पूरे वीडियो में, अभी नहीं बताऊंगा, हिंट नहीं दूंगा आपको, मैं हिंट भी नहीं दूंगा। आप बने रहिए वीडियो में पूरे, स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक वीडियो जरूर देखिएगा। तो आई थिंक विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओवर टू यू मैम। तो श्रेया जी, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए अपने बारे में। आई मीन क्या बोलना चाहती हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को सबसे पहले?
Hi, I'm Shreya Agarwal, and this is my boutique,
यस।
Shania Creations. We are from Gurgaon, and we deal with all the types of suits like corsets, ethnic suits, Indo-Western, everything. And today I'll be showing you our latest summer collection. So let's get started.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो गाउन्स देखेंगे सबसे पहले हम, गाउन से शुरुआत करते हैं जो मैम ने खुद पहन रखा है। ठीक है, मल गाउन है कॉटन का।
This is a mull gown. It's an anarkali mull gown. It has belts which has tassels with it, and the pants also has linings.
Yes.
And
Fringes.
Fringes.
Okay.
And this is the whole work that has been done on the suit.
With pearl work.
With pearl work.
Embroidery in pearl work. Okay.
And this is the back of the suit.
And
this is the dupatta. The dupatta also has small booties. And all over this dupatta there is a fringes lace.
Fringe lace, yes.
So this is for 2,800. Sizes available are 40, 42, 44, 46.
Okay. एक मिनट, अभी मुझे साइड में रख देना।
This is our second suit.
This
is a silk. This is a silk cotton suit. Like this is a summer silk cotton suit, and you have all over thread work in this suit. You have a thread work at the back as well, and there is a thread work at the
slits, side slits, and hem.
Inside you have astar,
mull lining.
And these are the pants of the suit, which also has the same kind of work which is in the
top
front.
Okay.
And this is the dupatta of the suit
in organza.
And you have small booties, and all over four sides there is a lace. So this is for 2,800. The sizes available are from 38 to 44.
All right.
This is also summer silk suit. This also has thread work and small booties all over the suit. इसके भी आपको साइड में आप देख लीजिए पूरा लेस वर्क है इसके दोनों स्लिट्स पे इन फ्रंट, और इसकी पैंट्स में भी, इसकी पैंट्स प्लेन है, सेम कलर, एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा ऑफ द सूट। ये इसका दुपट्टा है, इसमें स्कैलोपिंग टाइप का काम है, बट इट इज नॉट स्कैलोपिंग, द ओनली वर्क इज लाइक स्कैलोपिंग। So this is also for 2,800, and the sizes available are from 38 to 46. इसमें हमारे पास 3XL का भी साइज है।
ठीक है।
So now this comes like this is a Maheshwari suit.
महेश्वरी सूट, यस। तो पार्टीज को हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं कॉटन के साथ, है ना? यस।
So this is it has a mull lining inside and it has a very fine thread work with some stone and pebbles in it. And
दिस इज प्योर महेश्वरी ना?
this is pure Maheshwari and this is
Bottom?
the bottom of the suit.
शैंटून बॉटम।
Shantoon bottom, pure Shantoon bottom suit. And this is the dupatta. Just look at the dupatta. The dupatta is very gorgeous. This is the whole dupatta. पूरे दुपट्टे में ऐसा ही print.
इसे ऊपर उठा के दिखाना एकदम राइट एंगल में रख के, इसका लुक।
So this is the whole suit.
यहाँ रखना टेबल पे। ये देखिए, दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द आर्टिकल, महेश्वरी सूट। ऑल राइट।
Okay, so this is also from M to double XL size. That is from 38 to 44. And this suit is for 2930.
2930 रिटेल प्राइस। ठीक है।
So now this is also another Maheshwari suit. This is the work. This is pure mirror work. This is not plastic. This is mirror, all over mirror.
Real mirror.
Yeah, real mirror. On the gala. And it has plain bottom. This is not a Shantoon bottom. This is a cotton bottom.
Cotton bottom.
Okay. And these are straight pants. And this is the dupatta of the suit. The dupatta all over has print.
And this is the bottom. ठीक है।
And this is also for.
Can you show the look of the article?
Yeah. This is also for 2,900.
2,900.
Yeah. And sizes available are 38 to 42.
Okay.
This is the whole look of this.
Okay.
38 to 42.
टेबल पे रख के दिखाना। हाँ। Yeah.
So now we come with a pure muslin suit. This is a pure muslin suit. It is not viscose. This is a pure muslin suit. You can see the fabric. It's very soft. This is the work detail on the neckline. And it has an overall digital printed fabric. It has a plain bottom. These are pure crepe bottoms. And this is the back of the suit. The back of the suit also has the same digital printing that is in the front. And this is the dupatta of the suit. It also has the same digital printing. And dupatta is also pure muslin.
Pure muslin.
Yeah. So this suit is for 2,750 and the sizes available are 38 to.
This is muslin silk, huh?
44.
Okay.
So now we come to another muslin piece. This is also pure muslin suit. This is the neckline of the suit. And you also have.
There's some kind of work here. This is all black pearls. Okay, and kardana.
And you have side in the slits also. You have brief lace all over. And you at the bottom of the suit you have a slight of work.
Yeah, sequence work.
Yeah. And the bottom also has the same sequence work, and the bottom is pure black color.
Black color, straight fit.
Yeah, straight. And this is the dupatta.
This pure muslin, huh, viewers?
Yeah, this is pure muslin, and the dupatta is also pure muslin. You can see it's very soft and very summer friendly fabric. The price of the suit is 2,799, and the sizes are from 38 to 44.
All right.
So this is also a muslin suit. And you can see the work it has. It has some of the zardozi work. थोड़ा zardozi का काम है इस पे. A brief zardozi and a thread work in the neckline. This is the choli. And the sleeves also has the same kind of flower that is on the suit lining. And the back also has the same print. It's overall digitally printed. And the bottom is Shantoon bottom. These are like not exactly straight, a bit of plazo fitting. And then you have the dupatta. These are organza dupatta. It has an organza dupatta with small flower booties all over the dupatta. All over the dupatta and scalloping margin. So this suit is for 2,800 and the sizes available are from 38 to 44.
एक मिनट, हाँ, ठीक है.
So now this is a
Beautiful baby pink color.
baby pink color, beautiful color, very soothing work.
I'll
Thread
show you the
work.
work in close up, viewers. This is like embroidery, and it has, some detailing on its top, pearl detailing, and here also on the neckline you will find some pearl detailing.
And its bottom is also plain.
Bottom is plain, and it has crochet laces on its hem.
Yeah.
Beautiful dress, huh? Even the sleeves have some kind of embroidery on it.
The sleeves are all over the sleeves. You have them.
Yes,
the
yes,
same
yes,
flowers.
yes. Same flowers, yes.
Yeah.
Very gorgeous, huh? Article.
And very, very summer friendly fabric. Very summer friendly fabric.
Yes, yes, yes.
And this is the organza dupatta, and this is a digitally organza dupatta. And then you have a lace all over the sides of the dupatta.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful piece. Sizes available are from 38 to 44, and the price is 2,800.
Sounds good. All right.
Now,
very beautiful article in cotton anarkali.
Anarkali suit.
A-line anarkali.
A-line anarkali suit, and this is like jacquard work done all over the suit. And
jacquard, na?
And this is the thread work.
Embroidery. Thread embroidery
on the neckline. It's a cream color suit, very summer friendly color, because generally in summers you like to wear
such shades,
such light shades, because I don't know, because of the sunrise maybe. And this is the bottom of the suit. It is a straight pant, but a slight lace work is done on the bottom. And this is the dupatta. It's a digitally printed
stole dupatta.
And you have lace
and it has some kind of weaving also on it, or maybe it's a shimmer. It's shimmer.
Yeah, a slight of golden
impact.
Yeah, impact. And this is the lace on the suit. So this is for 2,700, and the sizes available are from 38 to 44.
Wait, this is the look of the article. All right. Now comes ajrak. With ajrak applique work dupatta.
Yeah. So this is a very beautiful cotton suit. You have a ajrak work and ajrak print, and this is the work of the suit on the neckline. You can see there are some silver thread lines and red thread work on the suit. You have a straight pant on this suit. This is the straight pant, blue color. And the beauty of the suit lies in the dupatta. This is the very beautiful ajrak dupatta. It has elephant motif, and on that there are thread work. This is like the katha work is done all over the dupatta. So this is the dupatta of the suit. Sizes available are from 38 to 3XL, that is 46, and the price is 2,600. So this is the look of this.
Beautiful. Yeah. 2,600, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
So another cotton suit, very beautiful, and off-white suit. So over this off-white suit, you have all over thread work and sequence work. This is all over thread work with sequence work. You have a dory in the front, and then you have a lace lining all over the, and you have a mull cotton lining inside. So it is like a drop. This thing is shorter, and the lining inside is a bit longer in length. So it becomes like this. And the back of the suit is plain, but you have a lining on the back side also, mull cotton lining. And I'll show you the bottom of the suit also has a very beautiful work.
Yeah, waist band and partial elastic.
Yeah, and this is the bottom, which has the same kind of work lace that is on the kurta. And this is the dupatta. This is a shaded dupatta it has, because the kurta is so beautiful.
Shibori work, na?
Yeah, and the kurta is so heavy, so the dupatta is light. It just has a
gota trims. Gota trims on edgings on all the four edges.
And this is the
on
shibori
four sides.
dupatta. The dupatta itself. The suit itself is very beautiful, and the price is 2599, and the sizes available are 40, 42, 44.
All right. Just place it on the table, na?
Yeah.
So that, wait, hold it like this. Yeah. Yeah. Now look, viewers. Okay.
So this is also a
एक
muslin
minute.
suit, a pure muslin suit,
Yeah.
and you have work, thread work and pearl work.
Hmm.
These are golden pearl work
Hmm.
all over the suit neckline,
Hmm.
and then you have a small kind of detailing over the flowers also.
Hmm.
It has lining inside, a mull cotton lining, and this is the gorgeous dupatta of the suit. It is a printed, digitally printed
Hmm.
muslin dupatta,
Hmm.
and the bottom of the suit is plain with the same color.
Hmm.
This suit is for 2950, and sizes available are 38 to
Hmm.
44.
Hmm.
This is the striped one.
Hmm.
So this is another anarkali suit.
Beautiful, huh? Beautiful paisley motifs.
Yeah.
Leaf motifs, you
Yeah.
can say.
This is anarkali suit, cotton anarkali suit.
Hmm.
It has a lining, mull lining inside.
Wait.
So this is a cotton anarkali.
Huh.
It's a pure cotton anarkali with a mull cotton lining inside.
Hmm.
It has no bottoms. This is a full-length anarkali suit.
Hmm.
It has a digital print all over the suit and leaves and flower motif.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a slight of work, thread work on the neckline.
Mm-hmm.
The back also has the same print.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the dupatta of the suit.
Hmm.
It is a shibori kind of a dupatta, blue color,
Hmm.
contrast dupatta with
Hmm.
tassels all over.
Hmm.
So this is for 3,200.
Hmm.
It's an Akali suit, and the sizes available are 40, 42, 44.
Hmm.
You have lining inside my product, so if any of the viewers are like size छोटा है या बड़ा है तो थोड़ा बहुत adjustment हो जाएगा, आप फिर भी inquiry कर सकते हैं. तो मेरे ज़्यादातर suits में है. Alright, so this is a cotton linen suit.
बहुत बढ़िया सूट है ये.
This is a very very
बहुत बढ़िया
summer
सूट है.
friendly
बहुत बढ़िया है.
fabric. You have
ये है क्या एक्चुअली?
this is a suit.
ये सूट है ऊपर का
हाँ.
और ये अंदर इसका लाइनिंग है.
Lining है.
अच्छा.
मतलब it is a A-line suit.
A line
इसमें,
suit.
ये छोटा है
और ये
थोड़ा
हाँ,
बड़ा है,
हाँ,
but it is a suit only.
हाई एंड लो पैटर्न.
And this is the bottom of the suit. High and low pattern में है ये. और ये इसका bottom है. Bottom में भी same ये pattern है. And the back of the suit also has the same design. And this is the dupatta of the suit. This is the dupatta of the suit. It's like a stole kind of a dupatta, and you have tassels on the four sides. So this is like, you can wear it as a cord set also. There's no need that you have to wear it with the dupatta, because dupatta is kind of a stole, so you can wear it as like a cord set. Okay, it's very summer friendly, very soft fabric. Okay, and the suit is for 2,900. Sizes available are from 38 to 44. These products generally runs a bit loose and slightly bigger in size, so you can inquire accordingly. So now this is one of my favorites. This is a cotton jacquard suit. This is the whole jacquard fabric. You have a bit of lace kind of
Self-weaving.
And there's a lace in between. This is a A-line anarkali kind of suit, because you have pleatings here in the hem area, and then you have thread work all over the suit. There's the neckline thread work. You have tassels and slit, and then there is thread work at the bottom and on the side slits. And the same fabric is at the back. And there is same pleatings at the back too. And the bottom is also of the same fabric. So it's not a plain bottom. The bottom is also of the same fabric, because the slits run slightly higher. So the bottom will be shown. And this is the end of the bottom with the same thread work. And then is the dupatta of the suit, which is also very beautiful. This is a cotton mull dupatta with the same kind of thread work, booties all over the suit and the lace. This is all, and you have tassels with a beautiful button. So this is the whole look of the suit. If you see, this is the whole look of the suit. It's a pure cotton mull cotton suit,
Hmm.
and the price is for 3200, and the sizes run from 38 to 44.
Hmm. Good. Cotton party wear.
Yeah, because it's a very friendly.
It's cotton silk.
Yeah, cotton silk, and this is the whole thread work and mirror work all over the suit you have, and then you have small booties also, and then in this you have a sharara.
Garara, yeah.
So the garara also has the same thread work flowers that is on the suit.
Tone to tone.
Yeah, tone to tone, and the sleeves also have, and this has bell sleeves, kind of Pakistani sleeves you can say. These are loose, and the sleeves also has work.
Embroidery, yeah.
And there is the dupatta. The dupatta also has the embroidery, the same embroidery that is on the suit. It is a tone to tone suit, a party wear you can wear it for haldi's and mehndis. And the sizes available are from M to 3XL. The price is for 3300, and the sizes available are from M to 3XL.
All right.
Okay. So this is again one party wear suit. This is Dola silk suit, summer friendly silk, and these are pearl work. This is hand work. This is not machinery work. This is all hand work. You have it in a button, and you have it on the kurta also.
Kurta also.
And the bottom of the suit is plain. It's a pure crepe bottom. And this is the dupatta of the suit. It is a Banarsi weave dupatta with white and pink contrast. So this suit, I have a single piece in this. This is 40 size, and it has margin, so it can be done till 44. And the price of the suit is 3500.
All right.
Okay. So this is also another very party wear suit. This is cotton silk, and this is the work line on the suit. This has thread work and stone works on the neckline, and a bit of work on the hem. Katdana work, and you have a tassel here, and it also has gararas. The gararas are plain but tone to tone. And then you have a digital printed dupatta on this, and the dupatta also has sequin work and a lace all over the dupatta, running four side. So this suit is for 2800, and the sizes are from M to XXL.
All right. Beautiful suit is coming up in Maheshwari.
This is a Maheshwari suit.
Maheshwari
Again,
suit.
we have with Maheshwaris. This is a Maheshwari suit. This is the front of the suit. It has this work. This is thread work, but called putta work. We say this thing.
Putta.
हाँ, because ये thread के छोटे छोटे से dots बने रहते हैं, तो इसको dot work भी बोलते हैं English में लोग. And the bottom of the suit is plain. You have plain pants in this with elastic and and the back of the suit is plain. This is like a jute kind of look that is coming.
I was about to say that.
Yeah.
Could you place it this way?
Yeah, sure.
Just wait for a while so that people get an idea. Beautiful suit, huh?
Very, very elegant and very classy. And the beauty of the suit lies in the dupatta.
Lies in its dupatta, yes.
So this is the kantha. It is like a...
No, it's actually painting. Prints, you can say, and then it has been outlined. I mean, it has been detailed with thread and sequins.
The whole dupatta has the work. You have the border of the dupatta also has the same, and you have tassels, and then this is the dupatta. The whole dupatta has the work.
Yeah, beautiful.
Very beautiful dupatta. Just the dupatta of it is very, very, very beautiful and very heavy. So
nice.
This the size available is 38 to 44, and the price is 3200.
Wait, once again.
So it has thread work all over the neckline.
Look at the border. It has animal motifs.
Yeah.
Weave, actually, animal weave, and this is the polka.
These fabric are very summer friendly, and you have linings. These are cotton mull lining.
Lining.
Okay, and the bottom of the suit is shantoon bottom, pure shantoon bottom. Okay, and again the beauty of the suit lies in the look. All the Maheshwari suits dupattas are so beautiful. This is the dupatta.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very
So
nice.
this suit is for 3,000 and
Hmm.
the sizes available are 40, 42 and 44.
ठीक है.
But you can get it till 46 because we have a bit of margins.
All right.
Okay. Now we come to a party wear suit. This
Mhm.
is a summer silk suit,
Mm-hmm.
cotton summer silk, and
Mhm.
this is the work on the dupatta.
Mhm.
This is the dupatta of the suit. It has scalloping work and
Mhm.
small booties, and this is the neckline of the suit.
Hmm.
The bottoms are plain.
Mm-hmm.
The bottoms are plain, and this it is a tone to tone suit,
Hmm.
lilac color, and
Hmm.
the sizes available are 38 to 44, and
Mhm.
the price of the suit is 2,100.
All right. This is Dola silk, I believe.
Yeah.
Wait.
First muslin suit,
Hmm.
and
Yeah, semi muslin you can
yeah,
say.
semi muslin. And this is the neckline. It has sikti work
Hmm.
and some more
Coin
red
work,
and
yeah.
coin works. And this is overall digitally printed.
Hmm.
And the bottom of the suit it has a kind of a patiala pants,
I think these are harem pants.
harem pants,
Yeah.
and there's a bit of lace work. And the dupatta is also digitally printed with the same design that is on the
Hmm.
suit. And you have tassels all over the four sides.
Hmm.
This is for 2,600 and the sizes available are M to 3XL.
Hmm. This is the look of the suit. Yeah. ठीक है.
Okay, now we again come with a cotton suit. This is
Mhm.
a cotton, a bit of chanderi, I can say it's mixed.
Yeah,
Cotton
chanderi.
mix.
Yeah.
It has lining inside, mull lining,
Hmm.
and this is all weaving done over the suit.
Mhm.
It's like a
Is
print
it?
kind of thing.
This is the bidding lace
Huh.
and
There is
these
printed
prints. Yeah.
prints. And
Foil
then you
print
have
kind
the
of.
lace work on the neckline
Mm-hmm.
and on the sleeves.
All
On the
right.
sleeves.
Mhm.
And then you have the lace work and the thread work on the sleeves and on the neckline. And the bottom also has the same kind of work that is on the front. And this is the dupatta. This is a stone kind of dupatta. This is for 2,600 and the sizes available are from 40 to 46. That is 3XL. So again, cotton suit, a very summer-friendly color and a summer-friendly print, I must say. This is all self-weaved fabric with flowers digitally printed over it, and there is a bit of pleatings on the neckline.
Pintex.
Pintex. And there are pleating gala also.
Yeah.
And then you have a plain bottom of this same color.
Straight fit, no?
Yeah, straight fit. And there is a mull lining inside the suit. The back of the suit also has the same digitally print all over. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta
Checks,
also has
quota
the same
checks,
quota check dupatta, but the same print. It has the same print. The suit is for 2,200 and the sizes are from 38 to 44.
Wait. Very nice color.
Yeah, this is like a grey color and a shibori kind of work. And you have thread work on the neckline, thread work and mirror work on the neckline. And the bottom has the same print which is on the kurta. It's a printed bottom, straight print front. And then the dupatta also is same as the bottom. And the end of the dupatta has the same work that is on the kurta. So this is a pure cotton suit, and the price of the suit is 2,200, and the sizes are from M to XXL.
Show it this way. Yeah. Yeah. All right. The fabric quality is good, viewers.
This is also a pure cotton suit. It's a mull cotton suit, and this also has weaving. The fabric itself has weaving. If you'll see closer to it, and then you have a very beautiful neckline with thread works with different types of thread and colors. And the bottom is plain with a bit of lace at the bottom of. And these are straight pants. Generally, my cotton suits all have straight pants. And this is a multicolor dupatta. This is a multicolor dupatta on the suit, and there's a lace all over the suit. The price of the suit is 2,500, and the sizes are from M to XXL. 3XL. This is again a Maheshwari suit, a very pastel green color with a thread work on the neckline. And the bottoms of the suit are plain. It is a pure shantoon bottom. And then you have lining All the Maheshwari suits have lining, cotton mal lining. The back of the suit also has the same print. And this is the gorgeous dupatta of the suit. Again, a very beautiful dupatta. And this has tassel work at the bottom. This is the sleeves of the suit. The price is for 3,000 rupees and the sizes are available are from 38 to 44.
ठीक है.
This is a soft organza suit. It has all over thread work and pearl work. This is the neckline. These are the sides of the suit. This is the bottom of the suit with pearl work. It has lining, a cotton one lining. And
nice and decent work actually.
Yeah,
and look,
very pleasant work. Very soft work. The thread works are very soft. मोटा काम नहीं है, एकदम बारीक और पतला काम है. This is the same. The pants also has the same fabric, and these are the bottom. And this has the same work. And the dupatta is a georgette dupatta with lace. So this suit, this is a party wear kind of a suit, and the suit is for 3,200, and the sizes are from M to XXL. Okay, again, this is a party wear suit. This is a Karara suit.
There's orep cutting.
Yeah, and it has a very soft thread work and a bit of tar. You can say. These are tar.
Kardana work, dabka work you can say.
And the bottom also has
embroidery.
Yeah.
It is divider actually. These are dividers. Okay, and this is a top, and paired with a dupatta in teal blue color.
Yeah.
And having running lurex, or you can say zari all over, and this is the coin hangings.
It's a very nice, very decent party wear. We have different colors and different kind of work in this, and this for single size that runs from S and M, and the price is 3,000.
All right.
Okay, now we come to some of the basic tops, cotton tops. This is a rayon cotton mix top. It has fine detail work on the sleeves, and the buttons also have work on it. It has pintucks and pintucks, and size available is 38-40, and the price is 650. Okay, these are basic cotton tops. These are for these are for 600.
All right. So the one we showed earlier, this pink color, the price is 700 rupees. Sorry for the wrong pricing earlier. So these are the revised prices.
This is a pure cotton. This is a pure cotton top. It also has a very fine thread work and on the sleeves and the same kind of
pintuck. Yeah.
This is also for 700.
Okay.
Now we have a tunic. It's a mull cotton tunic, and you have all over the buttons, and then you have a very nice and very stylish belt with the shell works and moti, and then you have a bit of gatherings at the end, and these are the sleeves. This is the back, and this is available in S, M, and L size, and the price is 1,090.
Okay.
This is a kaftan. A printed kaftan, and this you have a belt kind of look with work, and the sizes available are from M to XL, and the price is 1,999. This is a one piece. It's a georgette one piece, and you have a elastic kind of gathering on the stomach area, and you have lining inside. And there's a slight kind of work on the neckline. So the price of this is for 1,600. Now these are some cotton tunics. These are very cotton friendly tunics. You have a bit of gathers and a very soft thread work.
Yeah, Dola silk. Yeah. Chinon? नहीं ये कुछ imported fabric है कोई तो.
And this is the sleeves of the tunic. These all tunics are for 1,400. I'll be showing you different color and different work in this.
Long tunics, huh?
Yeah, these are long tunics, these tunics have linings inside, so no worry about that. This is the second color of it, and the work. This is the third color, and it has big flowers.
Wait,
with
wait.
net and thread work.
It's quite flary and very long one. I mean,
Yeah.
long length
You can
gown
adjust
type
it
tunic. Yeah.
according to your sizes.
Tunic. Yeah.
These are 3 sizes actually. Then this is a very baby pink color with a very fine thread work. These thread works are on the sleeves, and at the back you have a flower kind of motif.
Show the front once again. Yeah. Come this side. Yeah. This is the one. All right.
These are like one piece, you can say.
Please say the price.
These are all for 1400.
1400.
This is the white color. It has lining, and it has all over thread work on the sleeves as well, and on the back. Again, this is a georgette kind of one piece that you get in
crinkled fabric.
This is like a piece you get on websites like Femela and everywhere. So it has bell sleeves. The back has buttons and this kind of thing. This is for 1600, and the size available are M and L.
All right.
Again, one tunic color. This is for 1400.
Wait, 1400, no?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
This is for the black lovers. Generally, I personally love black, so this is for the black lovers. This is all jacquard print, jacquard weave. Actually, it is not a printing; it's all weaved.
Weave,
all weaving all over the suit, all over the neckline, all over the front. Then the pants also has the same kind of lace work, or the weaving, you can say. Yeah, this is the pant. This also has weaving at the bottom. And this is the plain dupatta with the weaving at the end of it. 4 sides, and you have tassels. So this suit is, and this is the sleeves of the suit. This suit is for 3000 rupees, and the sizes available are from M to XXL.
All right.
So now this is again a cotton suit with lace work at the bottom, and on the sleeve, the sleeves are bell sleeves. This is kind of a Pakistani kind of look at the bottom, and this is the bottom of the suit. The bottom of the suit also has a bit of
beading lace.
And this is the dupatta. This suit is for 2100, and the size runs from M to XXL.
M means 38 to 44.
Again, a very
beautiful, very smart dress.
Very smart, very summer friendly cotton linen, very soft. This is also a kind of corset and a suit, you can say, because it has a stole kind of a dupatta. So this is the front of the suit. It has small work details. This is the sleeves of the suit. It has a cut on the, and there's a button. And in the suit, this is the back. You have a bit of pleatings.
Yeah, pleat. Yeah.
And the suit has an inner inside. This is the inner. And these are straight pants. These are like pencil fit pants. And these suits are generally a bit loose. These are pencil fit pants. And this is the stole kind of a dupatta that I was talking about. So this is the stole kind of a dupatta. It has tassels and lace. And this is the printed dupatta. The dupatta is also of the same mull cotton fabric. And overall this suit is from size L to XXL, that is from 40 to 44, and the price of the suit is for 2800.
All right.
This is the cotton suit. A bit of katha work is there in the middle. These are the flowers katha work, and the pant also has the same kind of digital print at the bottom, and this is the dupatta with the same digital print at the end. This suit is for 2200, and the size runs from M to XXL. Now we come with a very beautiful cotton anarkali. This cotton anarkali has jacquard print.
Yeah.
The same I showed you earlier. This is the jacquard print
Can you show it this way?
fabric.
Yeah. This is very flary.
Yeah, very flary.
Look at the flare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It has fringes
it
on
has
its
fringes.
hem.
It has gaji work, you can say, and then there is mirror work lace. It is generally for
Okay.
all like the navratris and festive kind of. It
Butter
has
crepe lining.
a butter crepe lining, and this is the front, and this is the back. You
Back
have
is plain and weaved, self weave, and
self
this
weave and a neckline
Yeah.
with
hanging tassels. Yeah.
and you have sleeves inside.
Sleeves provision is available.
Sleeves provision is available. The sizes available are from M to triple XL. We have for 46 also, and the price is 2900.
2900. Okay.
Then we come to some basic cotton suits.
Yeah.
These are some basic cotton suits for daily, day-to-day wear. This is the neckline. This is the pant with the same neckline print, and this is the dupatta. These are all cotton. You have lace, and these are with straight pants. And the price of the suit is for 1500. The sizes run from M to triple XL. That is 46. Okay. Again, we come with the basic cotton suit. This is the neckline of the suit, and these are you have the same kind of pant in this plain pants with the same work, and this is the printed cotton dupatta, and this is for 2000. The size runs from M to double XL.
All right.
This is also a basic cotton suit. This is the neckline of the suit with mirror work. These are mirrors, not the sippi or plastic. And you have a bit of gota patti on the sleeves, and then there is a printed pants. There is a printed bottom pants, elastic pants, straight pants, and this is the dupatta. The suit price is 1500, and the sizes are from 38 to 44. This is also a basic cotton suit. This is the neckline of the suit. It has a bit of zardozi work and thread work. This is the bottom of the suit, and this is same as the dupatta. And this is also for 1600, and sizes runs from 40 to 46. Now we have one more self jacquard cotton suit.
Wait, let me show the work.
Yeah.
These are the
This is a very fine
tone to tone
thread.
embroidery.
Yeah.
And it is in self weaving actually.
Yeah.
And these are the buttons, fancy
These are
buttons.
and this you have, and then
The fabric is very good, huh?
And this is
Acha
the
gap wala fabric
sleeves. And you have a lining, a mud
Lining.
cotton lining inside. And this is the dupatta,
All right.
and this is the bottom of the suit.
Hmm.
And it is for 2500. Size runs from 40 to 44. This is a Pakistani printed suit. This is a Pakistani printed suit. This is a cotton suit, and these are the bottom of the suit. It's a plain bottom, cotton bottom, and this is the printed dupatta of the suit. And the price of the suit is for 1500, and the size runs from 38 to 44.
Okay, wait. Show me like this in the right angle. Yeah. This is the look.
It's a muslin,
Semi-muslin.
corset. These are the pant, straight pants. And we have sizes from 38 to 44 in this, and the price is 1500.
Okay.
Okay, now we come to a party wear suit. We have this party wear collection. This is a Garara suit.
Dola silk.
Dola silk. Yeah,
I think this is semi-dola.
This is
This
pure
is
Dola
it?
silk.
Is it? Okay.
This is pure Dola
Okay,
silk.
this is pure.
And this is the neckline, zardozi and pearl work. And
Copper zardozi.
Yeah, and this is the bottom. This has a gota work also. And these are the sharara of it. The shararas also have a bit of hem.
Sequence.
Work on it, and there's a gota lace.
Trim
at
on
the
its
bottom.
hem, yeah. Garara trim. Or Garara's hem. Organza dupatta with scalloping on.
All over.
Yeah,
and
all over with tubelite work. No. Some. This is zari work.
And the dupatta also has pearl and sequins.
Okay.
Small flowers.
Priced at and sizes?
This is for 4500, and the sizes available are from 38 to 42.
All
It
right.
has lining and margins, so this can be converted till 46, 48.
Okay.
Okay, now we have one. This is uh,
bustier kind of,
Indo-Western
yeah.
kind of dress. This is the
Shrug.
shrug.
This is the bustier. This is a three-piece actually.
Three-piece.
This is the sharara.
हाँ.
Indo-Western come. I mean, it's an Indo-Western collection.
Yeah. It is all printed black color. It has crinkles on the
Crinkles,
sharara.
okay.
There are crinkles on the sharara.
Very difficult to make out, but
Yeah. And this is the
bustier.
Bustier and
Padded.
it has all work over it. And the shrug also has this mirror work.
Mirror work.
At the end. And
Okay.
This is a loose kind of a shrug, and you have this is free size, and the price of this is for 5,000.
Wait.
So this is a very beautiful cord set.
Mm-hmm.
This is the shrug kind of thing over this. It's a free shrug, and it is a hand. This pearl work is all hand work, and you have a
bustier
inside, and then there are free plazo
spaghetti
kind of
style
pants.
bustier.
Yeah, and free plazo kind of pant. Fabric is all over pure, and this is the back. It also has this. This is all pure handwork.
All
This
work
is also-
detailing.
Yeah, free
Wait,
size.
wait.
Is actually sorry. This is L, M, and XL size, and this is for 5,500. So we have a very beautiful cord set. This is magenta pink or fuchsia pink, whatever you can say. This is all handwork on the front of the cord
Chinon
set.
fabric.
This is chinon, pure chinon with mud lining inside. And the pants also are of same color. And the pants also has on one side of the leg the same kind of flower at the end. So it's a very
beautiful
classy,
cord set.
Very classy cord set, and you have sizes 40, 42, and 44 in this, and 38 to 44, and the price of this is for 3,200.
All right.
So now we have something for in the tulip pants. This is the poly muslin.
Poly muslin
Suit, and you have sippy work and a bit of lace work is there in the neckline, and there's the sippy work is also there on the sleeves, and the pants are like this. These are the tulip pants, and then you have a georgette dupatta. This is the georgette plain dupatta with some border in the ends, and this is for 2,200, and the sizes available are from M to XXL. This is the last piece of our segment. We are ending up with a cord set or a two-piece, you can say. You have handwork on the collars and on the button neckline. This is the lace, and then the pants are harem pants. It's not a plain pants. These are harem pants with the lace work, and this is the back. And the sleeves also you have gatherings and the lace work. This is for 1,800, and you have pockets on both the sides.
This Pathani dress.
Yeah, it's like a Pathani dress, and you have pockets on both the sides. It is a pure cotton cord set or two-piece, and sizes run from M to XXL.
All right. Price?
1,800.
1,800. All right, fine. So that was Rama Green, very beautiful cord set. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was all
That was all.
Shania Creations,
Shania
right?
Creations. We have a page, Instagram page for Shania Ethnic Creations.
All right.
And
thank
you.
Visit their page for more detailed analysis of a particular article, right? So thank you so much, Shreya ma'am, and thank you for your great efforts. And in fact, we all wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.
Right? And we hope you do well in this video. And thank you viewers for all your love and support. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इस ऑनलाइन फॉर्म को भी स्टोर को भी सपोर्ट करें, जिस तरह से आप दूसरी स्टोर्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं तो इनको भी सपोर्ट करें, और हमारे साथ ओवरऑल फीडबैक दें हमें हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर, ठीक है? तो थैंक यू वंस अगेन मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड थैंक यू ऑल फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो विद पेशेंस. मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी एक नए एपिसोड में कुछ नई चीज़ों के साथ. टिल देन गुड बाय एंड हैप्पी शॉपिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.